Right, left, drip, splash. Come take a lick on the lolly, yeah.
Hello everyone and welcome to my blog. This is Unboxing 101 from Skin, new skin guys. Distributor is here in USA, but my friend is from UK. She is a Filipina friend of mine. Unboxing muna tayo. Unboxing 101. Unboxing guys. Para naman heto ay binili ko para kay Taya. But then I will try it first because we have a sensitive skin and we don't use any kind of skin product, just lipstick. So this one is first time because she had acne. She had too much acne, especially on forehead. It's lessened now because she is 13. But then we will try this product from my friend, New Skin. Thank you, Jazz. Actually, she started YouTube also. This New Skin. I keep saying New Skin, but let's see if it's the New Skin makes your skin new. new one. Ayan guys, so let's try this. And this is a bit pricey, but then you will see on my next vlog soon. Yeah. Treatment cleanser. Lana! Okay. And this is LUMISPA. New Skin LUMISPA. So nice. One device, system content, one device, one treatment head, one charging base, one power adapter, and one manual, one quick guide. So how to do this? Oh, and it's a LUMISPA by New Skin. This is not promotional item, but I will share the link below when I use it. But let's see soon, guys. This is a set. It's look like this and do like this.
I have this but different brand before. Someone gave me like this, but I don't remember. But I will find the video or picture if I still had it. So I have another brand of this, but I forgot what is the brand. But then they are really same. They are a bit pricey, but then it's worth. But I don't use it. Oh, this is the charger, guys. This is the charger. I never use it actually, but someone gave me like this in the Philippines before. But I will see what is the brand. But I like that too. But I'm being lazy and I don't use much because I have a sensitive skin and they get hurt. Like because I didn't use much. But I bought this for my daughter. But I will try it first because she have a sensitive skin. So let's see soon if it's worth this one for her acne in the forehead. I will share the link, guys, soon. I will share on my second LUMISPA blog. So this is it. They have a card on it for instructions. They have card instructions. So a bit pricey, yeah, for us. for us. But then let's see if it's gonna work. They have a charge on it. It's a good thing because it's chargeable. And I like it, the color and everything, and I think
it is really same with my one before that someone gave it to me from Philippines. So let's see. And guys, this is tapos na ang unboxing natin. So let's see if it's going to work, and I'm gonna share the link, guys. If you wanna purchase to my friend, I will share the link after I'm going to use it in my next vlog. Thank you very much for watching.